Acer Aspire TC-885-UA92 Desktop, 9th Gen Intel Core i5-9400, 12GB DDR4, 512GB SSD, 8X DVD, 800 2.11 AC Wi-Fi, USB 3.1 Type-C, Windows 10 Home, Black. Click the link below for more info and 40% limited discount offer. 9th generation Intel Core i5-9400 processor, up to 1 GHz, 12GB DDR4 memory, 512GB SSD, and 8X DVD writer double-layer drive, DVD-RW. 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, Gigabit Ethernet LAN and Bluetooth 5.0.1, USB 3.1 Type-C Gen 2 port, up to 10 gaps, 1, USB 3.1 Gen 2 port, 1, USB 3.1 Gen 1 port, 4, USB 2.0 ports and 2 HDMI ports and 1 VGA port. Windows 10 Home, USB keyboard and USB mouse. System RAM type, DDR4 SRAM. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.